General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. Let's get this right. Oh, wrong one. Chartwork. It's Wednesday, 8/13/25. News tomorrow, I believe, is unemployment. Screen grabber. Forex factory. See, that wasn't on the schedule. Oh, PPI tomorrow as well. I think the intention is going to be on unemployment still. PPI and unemployment. At 8:30. Okay. Should be bearish for the dollar. Let's look at this Fed watch. Okay. Look at this. 100% chance of a rate cut. Ain't dramatic. It's all good. Okay, still far away, but let's not get too excited until the next round of NFP numbers. Since rate decision is September 17th, we still got a while to go. Earnings. Tomorrow's Thursday. And none of this is going to move the NASDAQ. Applied Materials is a good company, though. Hey, Matt. Scan disk. Gambling to the moon. All right. Nothing here. That's going to impact NASDAQ. Just dollar on the daily. Let's go. Okay, finally got to close. Let's go. Okay. Now, what's interesting to sell from or to buy from? I'm looking for continuation. I'm looking for the news to bring us down. My target will be here. Hold on. Let's see if I did this right. DLL. Oh, snap. The magnet's the wrong way. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to use that. I like it, though. Okay, lower for dollar. Lower for dollar, especially since unemployment has been bad with all the government jobs. Trump cut. All right, so I think it's going to change fast. I don't think this is going to last. I think it's going to last because things cost too much for people who were working government jobs. They have to find work fast. It's not gonna be you lose a government job and then you go homeless. It just don't work like that. If it was like different jobs that were lost, then you would be like, okay, this could be a serious unemployment issue because those people will have trouble finding jobs. But you can't say that with government workers. So it's a little common sense right there. Okay, we're coming lower. It didn't hit my target. I wanted to buy here. I don't even like this price action. Oh boy, thank God I'm not just waiting on NASDAQ to act right, because summertime is doing what it's supposed to do. Okay. Target is still waiting on the go low. Still waiting on it. On it to go lower. Summertime is really doing this thing. Price has been deplorable. Deplorable. The only thing Hillary Clinton ever did was teach Americans how to use the word deplorable in a sentence. Because Lord knows, I can deplorable you to death properly. August TP still thinking we're good. Just this week is it's gonna be not it. CPI gave us that push. Looks like we're still holding this. So I actually want to watch this. Is my magnet tripping? No, something's going on. Okay. Oh, I think I cut it off. There we go. Let me put it on not so strong. Because that'll be annoying. Okay, I'm watching this high. It's not the old all-time high because that's from last year. This is the last all-time high from the week before last. We want to see if we hold above it and close below and a rejection. I can swing a sell to run weekly internal range liquidity. Let's go to the daily. Let me see that line because I want to see that on lower time frames. Can I make it dotted? Inconspicuous. Okay. This is what we're working with. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tons of liquidity here. Just clearing this out. We got this low, this low. This low smacked this low. So it's really about this low and then this low because this low took out all these other little lows here, which was perfect for the run up. But just this candle body here, we never took this low. It's a good swing low too. But even better is this low. But that's super far. I want to see if we close below this tomorrow. Also, how we act in this fair value gap. And order flow is still bullish. We're not selling yet. Nothing is confirmed. Confirmation would be using this as an inversion because this is the daily. Closing this, respecting this, that's going to be inversion. This is a tight one too because it's a high. We took a high with the gap. So this is going to be telling us everything. Price is waiting for something. No selling here just yet. We need to close this breakaway gap. Buys make sense. we did retrace, and I can see us running this high since it was made with a down candle. Let's go to this H4. Okay, H4 just looks bullish. That high don't look safe. Buying here. Where do I want to buy here? Order block. This was respected. Pushed up. This was the last array that was respected here. It don't make sense for it to come back to sweep this low. If it comes all the way here, then it might as well finish, because this is that old high. If we retrace, buys here are the best possible price, and closing below here is like, it's not bullish. You don't want to buy. But if we come here and we start buying, it's perfect to come take out that high. Sales will have to come here and respect this, respect something for me to trust. Breaking through this. I do like these lows. These lows are tacky. So sales, no buying till here. Sales here is okay. We'll keep this daily take profit. We'll go bullish for tomorrow. This bullish order flow. We ain't close no lows. When we sell, it's gonna be hard. Okay. Price still bullish. We'll target daily TP2 at 24,201. Let's go to H1. Okay, yeah, lots of cool stuff here. Buys make sense. Take profit set here. Buying anywhere up in here makes sense. We close below here, do some cool stuff, then we can start selling. Let's get this as well in the picture. Okay. Where am I gonna set my alert? I don't even think I'm gonna need an alert. I'm gonna wait for PPI. Waiting for PPI. Since we can have buys or sales based on current structure. Only way I engage is if we take the high, I look for sales. Or if we react off bullish H4, Order block, I look for buys. While we in the middle, while we in the middle of the range, I wait. Structure, hold on, wait. National Kish, say. 5 years. Buy at the lows. Sellers. Sell at the top. I think it's pigs get slaughtered in the middle. Pigs get slaughtered in the middle. Where am I going to set my alert? I already got an alert at the, I believe it's at the fair value. I already have same alert from yesterday. Eat. Got a taste for that. Maybe tacos. I should have ate tacos yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Let's go. Let's look at EU. EU's buzzing. Oh, wait, save this. Okay, where are we at now? We closed this gap. So this is now an inversion gap here. I don't know why I didn't enable the inversion gap. So we closed through this. We closed above the CPI candle. Hold on, this we still need this volume imbalance. We're doing good. Where can we add? We're gonna wait for a down data ad. I think that's gonna be a better thing. We can buy going up, but I don't see nothing. We have to play with one of these. Like, we closed above this. I can see it's closing above this just maybe a little bit, but I don't see strong. I wanted to leave because it's such a long play, and then I can be like boom, 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 and put in more. So right now, wait. I need to don't mind this page. That page looks tacky. Okay. Yeah. We want to add, but we still too close to the entry. So maybe next week we add to the position. Okay. And then Well, let's go to silver. Okay, we still need to close this gap. Tomorrow's PMI. Tomorrow could be crazy. I would love it if tomorrow just leave with everything. And even though it's like, oh, I wanted to put more on, you can just put more on somewhere else. But right now, how these candles closed, it's kind of like we want to see PMI and then we want to push. That's the vibes I'm getting. Same thing here. I'm gonna add, but waiting for PMI. Everything is waiting on news. So maybe no re-entry to next week, but I want some solid scale ends. And this is more like swings than one shot, one kill. And change this cover. This some weird default stock images. That's out of control. Let me see. Oh, I could just use chat. Make me a what is this thing called? Cover image for a Notion page for my swing trades. I want it to be the words swing trade setups. Make it look cool. Bam. Alright, I can do that. Not on the recording. Let me do this. Did I export the silver? No. Let's do that. Then I'm gonna add that to the Telegram journal. Also, the TradingView flagged some of my indicators I had published. I don't know if y'all follow me on TradingView, and I'll be publishing public indicators. I put them, the ones that they flag, I put links for the private link to the indicator in the Telegram as well. So y'all should have that. And then I'm gonna do this, change this cover, and then that's it for me. Let me stop this recording. All right, y'all, peace.